Hello everyone, Sam is here from my forexmagicweb.com, making this a small video as a weekly recap for the last week trades. So let's get started here. This is a pound Aussie trade from 20-minute chart. Here's my buy order as I move to break even, and it is for 95 pip to the long side. Week started on the 13th, by the way, but there was no setup or trade on 13th. Actually, probably I had like one I said I hit for 15 pip, that's all. So this is on the 14th, and another one on the 14th was pound Frankie here, buy orders, almost the same kind, right? And I made an entry here, the price moved up here, and then I came and sit on a break even, and boom, it hit my SL and gave me another entry. I took this one, and then all the way here for 70 pip. The first entry, I didn't lose anything. On the 15th, the next day, Aussie started getting weaker, and this trade is not taken on the 15th, by the way. I closed this on the 15th. This was last Friday, actually, at the entry. But this pair, the market is as it is, very, very slow, and nothing is moving fast or big. Right, so I held it over the weekend, and then slowly, this is where I closed this finally. And on the 15th, another one, Euro Yen, beautiful entry here from 20-minute chart, sell order here for 90 pip. And then on the 16th, pound USD came down for 60 pip here, right? It's a short entry here. And all this, because of the USD was getting strong. So pound USD I had short, then I had Euro USD short because of the USD, like I said, right? Same kind of entry here, and this is for only 40 pip because this pair just don't move, right? And so we're done with it, and I closed it on Aussie USD as well, went down here. And it is also a small trade, 55 pip only. But some of these pairs, they have shrunk their daily ranges, and then because of that, if you open and close a trade same day, it's just like that, 40, 50, 60 pip, that's it. And especially these USD pairs, they do not have a big daily range nowadays. So that's how it is. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend. And if you like what you saw, you want to get it, you want learn the system, get it, and then trade like that. So go on my website and subscribe over the weekend. I mean, tomorrow, Sunday, again, I'm going to be doing a webinar tomorrow, and after that, yeah, this is it. All right, so like I said, if you want, you can subscribe and start trading like this. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the weekend.